Today we're going to be showing you how to make an easy college chicken recipe. Hi, I'm Karen.
I'm Reagan.
And we have been sharing with you some good college recipes. She's going to college in 1 week from today.
Yes.
So we're down to the wire and we're sharing with you some easy things that you can make in your apartment in college. And this is one I made a few weeks ago and you liked it, and I said, well, it's like 3 ingredients, so it would be perfect for you to go make at college. So we're gonna measure out 1.5 pounds of these chicken tenderloins, and you can use fresh or frozen. And I just buy them at Costco in the big bag and then throw them in my freezer, and they're very convenient. They cook very quickly because they're so thin and small. So this is a good one. You obviously wouldn't eat this much chicken in one meal, but it's a good one that you could like prep beforehand, and then you could have it for dinner that night, and then maybe like a couple lunches or something. So that's almost 1.5 pounds. Okay, all right. So the other couple ingredients that we're going to put in, well, I guess there's 3 more. So soy sauce, you want to put that in. That's half a cup of soy sauce. And I like to use low sodium soy sauce because the other kind gets a little bit too salty. And then a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can just sprinkle it over the chicken. Perfect. And then a 1/4 cup of, quarter cup of brown sugar. You can kind of, you can kind of just put it over the top. I kind of don't mix it in with the soy sauce because I don't want the sugar kind of to burn on the bottom, so that's why I do it that way. Okay, so then we're gonna just cook this. I usually do chicken tenders for only like 3 minutes. Even though they're frozen, they'll still cook in that little bit of time. You wanna put the lid on and put it to 3 minutes. All right, the cooking time is up and it's just been sitting here for like 4 minutes. So you can release the pressure by pushing the valve down. Sometimes when it does that, you just go like that and you wait 20 seconds. And then like if it starts foaming again, then you just wait for another 20 seconds. So you don't want like all that stuff escaping out of the valve because it gets gross. So let's try it again. Okay, and this one, you don't have to, but you can thicken up the sauce with cornstarch. Do you want to do that?
Sure.
Okay. So what you do is you grab some cornstarch and probably like, I just kind of eyeball it about 1 or 2 tablespoons. And then you can mix it with water, or if you want, you can mix it with some of the juices in there. I'll just do water. Okay. And then will you change that to the saute setting? So she's going to change it to the saute setting so that we can mix this in and it will thicken up the sauce very nicely. So tell us, Reagan, what are you most, or what is something that you're excited for?
I'm excited because I'm living out on the dorms. I'm going to BYU, and so I'm excited to go be with like-minded people and get to live on my own.
And do you know anybody that you're living with?
No, I'm going by myself.
So how many, and you have an apartment style living, so how many people are going to be in that apartment?
Yeah, there's 1 other person in my room and a total of 6 of us in the apartment.
So it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths apartment, but it's on campus. It's like,
yes.
So it'll be very convenient and close to everything.
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Okay, this looks really good. So you can see the sauce is kind of thickened up. This is actually really good when you serve it over like rice, or you can have like a side of like vegetables with it. You can kind of just drizzle some of the sauce over the top. Or another thing is, if you want more vegetables in your diet, you can do cauliflower rice, which we like to buy just the frozen cauliflower rice, and then you steam it in the microwave, and it's very quick and easy. And then you're getting some vegetables in. Sometimes it's a struggle in college to get the vegetables in, so.
Yep.
but you'll be good. I know she'll do a good job. So anyway, you can find the full recipe on my blog, and I'll link to it in the description below. And if you guys have any questions for us, let us know, and we will do another video soon for another college recipe. Thanks for watching.